Understanding Saltwater Rinse, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, saltwater rinse. This is a common term in English, especially in contexts related to health and hygiene. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The term, saltwater rinse, refers to a solution made by dissolving salt in water. It's commonly used for oral hygiene or for treating minor wounds. When used in the mouth, it helps to cleanse and reduce swelling. It's often recommended after dental procedures or for sore throats. To make a saltwater rinse, you need warm water, salt, preferably sea salt or table salt. Simply dissolve about 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Make sure the salt is completely dissolved. This solution can then be used as a mouth rinse. Saltwater rinses are used in various scenarios. After dental surgery, to help heal and clean the area. For a sore throat, gargling with salt water can provide relief. For oral hygiene, it can be an alternative to mouthwash. When using it, swish the salt water around your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Do not swallow the solution. A saltwater rinse is beneficial because it's natural and safe, cost-effective, easily accessible. It helps in reducing bacterial presence, soothes oral discomfort, and promotes healing. I hope this video has helped you understand what a saltwater rinse is and how you can use it. It's a simple yet effective solution that can be easily made at home. Remember, it's always good to consult a healthcare professional for medical advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.